How to create AliExpress account. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To create an account on AliExpress, all you need to do is follow these two simple steps. So first thing first, open an AliExpress app. Now you will see this page. So here you will have to select your location. Most of the time the location is automatically selected. If you want to change it, simply tap on the location and then change it to the country you want, or else simply tap on continue. And then you will see different options to sign up into AliExpress. So simply tap and continue with Google and then select the Google account that you want to continue with. Again tap and continue. And then it will ask you for a phone number. So simply enter it and then tap and submit. Now a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your number. So check the verification code and then enter it here. And this is how you can create an account on AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.